The best way to show people you're an authority and an expert is by teaching them something about what you do. Let's clear the chaos of client attraction. This is video 96. Holy smoke. As we count down 100 marketing ideas that you can start using to attract clients to your business. And today we're talking about hosting monthly webinars. Now, a webinar doesn't have to be something that is intimidating or scary for you to do. You can do it through a basic Zoom call. And when you're just getting started, that's probably the best option for you. Instead of trying to get very elaborate and sophisticated, just use something that you already know how to use, which is a Zoom call or any of the other video networking softwares that are out there. And what I want you to do is just post on your social media that you're hosting a webinar to teach more about a specific topic. Whether you're a service provider or you have a product, you could be showcasing a new product or showing the results of an existing product that you have. You could be talking about a service that you offer. No matter what, spend some time hosting monthly webinars where you showcase your products or your services to people who are interested in them. And it doesn't matter. You might just get one person showing up on these at first. Stick with it. Be consistent, and over time you will build a bigger and bigger audience. The next video in this series is going to be right here. The entire series is up here, and if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel to get alerts every time I drop a new video.